Okay, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the wiper blades on BMW 2009 7 Series. This can be similar to other BMWs. So here's the thing, you cannot replace the wiper blades because you need to lift them up, right? But you don't want to hit the hood. Even though you open the hood, you may not be able to lift them up all the way. So there's a special procedure to do that. I definitely don't recommend you to move them with your hands, even though you can move them, but you would probably readjust their system, and then you can start having issues with your wiper blades system. So here's the thing. So once your vehicle is awake, you just press and hold all the way. There's like two positions. Okay, so it did not work. Okay, so you need to turn on the ignition, then turn it off. Okay, and then press and hold all the way for 3 seconds, and about that. And as you can see, the wiper blades are in the opposition. Okay, so it's better to get OEM, okay, the one that is actually for your vehicle. So simply you turn it like this, okay, and just pull it off. It's that easy. Okay, and mine is exactly the same, the old one to the new one. So you just go like this, and then you lock it. Okay. And then you can remove this part that's protective. And by the way, once this is removed, don't drop this, okay? If this is gonna drop, then it may buzz the window, okay? Break the window. So carefully pull this down. Same here. Turn it like this. Simply remove this. Lines are bad, as you can see. Okay, let's install the new one. There we go. And gently lower them. And now, okay, now to bring them down, you just press on the like this, and then click once down, and that's it. If you want to test if they're working, see, everything works. So guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.